Hi, we're at a siding replacement job today in Decatur, Georgia. Up in the gable, the soffit was installed over what they created up there for the soffit, but there's no block framing on the gable. Concrete wall that you're seeing here, the cinder block wall, is actually a firewall in between this house and the next house. Now you can't install Hardie trim directly to concrete. We'll have to create some kind of furring strips that we fasten directly to the concrete so that we can install the Hardie trim on top of that.